McKenna? Do you want a pretzel? Here. You want a pretzel? It's yummy, huh? It's yummy, huh? Oh, you're going to spit it out. Yeah. See, I like to spit out my food onto my bib. Yes. And have Mama clean it up. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, yep. And throw it down. Mhm. Thank you. What else you got going on? Do you want some juice? Do you want some juice? Juice? Juice. Yay, juice. Can I have the cup instead of you throwing it down? Thank you. Thank you. I got it. Okay. Tell Daddy bye. Tell Daddy bye. McKenna, can you wave bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say Dada. Dada. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you wave? Are you just going to stare? Bye-bye. Noises, noises. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.